Wow. Okay, just leaving Zapka right now. If you guys don't know, Zapka means frog. I'm probably saying it the wrong way. They have these smoothies right here. Kind of my morning tradition now. Don't need to go to a smoothie place for the moment because they're on sale. But like I said yesterday was kind of my last day here in Warsaw. I wasn't here to necessarily spend a lot of time in Warsaw. I was just passing through and I had like a day free and had to come here and stay in Warsaw. But today is a little bit of a travel vlog. But I'm a little tired, so it might end abruptly today. Oh my goodness. I feel like I have to insert these moments into the vlog, even though they don't go with the story. So basically, I was waiting for the train. Perfect, everything was going great. When I was like, let me get a little bit of work done. Went to take my computer out, went to take my charger out, couldn't find my charger. Left it here on Nowy Świat at one of the busiest Cafe Nero's. It was still there this morning. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy right now, full of adrenaline, you have no idea. But hopefully I can make my train. I got like 20 minutes. And it'd be nothing without a big thank you to this this cafe right here. If not, would not have been able to. They washed my bag for me. I would not have been able to make it back there and back here in time. But now back to the day. Ooh, had a little mini scare, got off the train, didn't see the sign that says Krakow. I didn't think I was at the right place. Feels great to be back here in Krakow. Welcome to Krakow, or they say in Polish, Krakow. And as you guys know, this train station, when you arrive here, it goes straight into the mall. So you're right in the center when you're here. Oh my goodness, and sorry for the low energy. There was no seats on the train. I mean, maybe there were, but I didn't feel like walking through all the different, whatever you call it, the different train cars to find one. So sitting on the floor for like 3 hours, having trouble feeling circulation to the legs. But right now on my way to the main center, to the hostel where I can finally put these bags down, chill, relax. Man, like one thing I can tell you about here in Krakow, it's a lot hotter than it is in Warsaw here. And I feel like when I arrive in places like this, people, my adrenaline, I'm always just like, yeah, I'm so happy to be here. And I feel like that can come off as being like fake or something like that. When in reality, it's like, when I arrive in a new city for the first time, I get that adrenaline rush. Maybe you get it too. But when I arrive in a city I've been to before, such as Krakow, not only do I get the adrenaline rush from being kind of in a city that I wasn't in the day before, but I get like this rush of all the things that happened the last times I was here or the other times I've been here. So it's like a double, triple shot of adrenaline. So don't ever want it to seem fake in the vlog or make it seem like it's not real, the excitement and all that, because it really is. It's just trying to process it and then try to relate that through the camera to you guys as well. But yeah, here, Krakow main gallery. Okay, so I have all checked in, everything is all good. Feeling a little bit tired, but very productive train ride here while I was sitting on the floor for those 3 hours. For at least an hour and a half, I responded to a lot of you guys who've written me on Instagram. So if you have wrote me and I haven't responded back over the past few weeks or whatever, check it out. I've probably responded to you. And next thing is, I do have a lot of things I have to do right now, but I don't want to end the vlog without at least showing you a little bit of a walkthrough of Krakow as I go about kind of handling a lot of the stuff that I have to do today, but we'll do a little montage of here in Krakow. Also, real quick, I know I said the vlog would almost be over, just a little montage, but when you guys are here in this little square area, make sure you guys check out the church. The top of every hour, bell goes off and a trumpet guy sings. You know, I know that history about this place. And now just off to my favorite kind of favorite restaurant, hoping that nobody is there, because I really need to get some work done. But I had to tell you guys that that's one really cool thing about it. And the horn, the guy who plays the horn, he plays a song for 1 minute at the top of every hour, but then the song cuts abruptly because during the war apparently he was shot in the throat. That's like the myth. So hopefully I can catch that while I'm here, because I'm not here in Krakow for a couple days. I'm here for a little bit longer. Finally kind of made it walking through the center. I've made my way here to the castle. You guys should remember when I was here with Russell, if you guys have seen those vlogs, things like the Krakow festival vlog, that dragon over there spits out fire, so it's like so many tourists are on that side. But I'm here by the castle, gonna chill, put the camera away and do a better walkthrough tomorrow, going all the way down to the Jewish quarters and everything. I'm going down there though to get some zapikanki. I know a lot of people are gonna say that in the comments probably, like they said last year, but no, just a chill day, but I'm here in Krakow. So tomorrow I'll see you guys here in Krakow. I'm a little bit exhausted, a little bit tired, not gonna lie, but I appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you guys' comments, you guys who sent me messages on Instagram, I really appreciate it as well. And I'll talk to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao. It was a little weird trying to end it. These people, this whole family was just like 1 meter away, just staring right into my face. But I stayed focused. I ended it right. See you guys tomorrow.